Hello, business owners and entrepreneurs. Welcome to our series where we'll be diving into everything about Wix Invoices, Wix's powerful payment request system. So, what exactly is it? Simply put, Wix Invoices allows you to easily create, send, and track your invoices, making it seamless to get paid online for your products or services. The best part, you can create as many invoices as your business needs and you can instantly download them as PDFs or share them directly with your clients. It turns collecting money into a simple professional task. Now, here is one important thing you absolutely need to know. Wix Invoices is an incredible online payment request system, but it's not an accounting service. So, that means you're responsible for making sure your invoices conform to all legal and tax requirements applicable to your business and your customers. So that's just an important heads up to keep in mind. Anyway, stick around and follow along as we learn all the ins and outs of mastering Wix invoices to better streamline your payments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.